stocks that are going to be on the move today. Meryl is here with that list. Meryl, over to you. Good morning.
Right, so a lot of interesting news coming up this morning. A lot of stocks were expecting to see some movement on the back of their Q3 updates. So let's dive right into this. Firstly, we've got L&T Finance. Their Q3 updates seemed pretty positive. Retail disbursements for the company were up 49% year on year, and the retail loan book at the end of the Q3 was standing at rupees 1,11,000, up almost 21% year on year. Moving up next, we've got Kotak Mahindra Bank. Its deposits were up 15% year on year. Advances also up at 16% year on year. Next, we've got IEX. The company's achieved monthly electric traded volume of 11.4 billion units in the December month, which was up 2.8% for the company. Then there's All Cargo Terminals with its CFS volumes in December up almost 18% year on year and 11% month on month. Coming up next, we've got Adani Ports. During December month, APSEZs handled around 41.9 million metric tons of cargo. This was 9% up year on year for the company, and this was led by its container segment, which was up almost 18% year on year. Next up, there's Waaree Energies. Now the company's subsidiary has raised almost 1,000 crores from strategic investors, which is a part of its 10,000 crore capex to set up a 20 gigawatt hour manufacturing facility in India. Coming up next is KSH International Limited on our list, with their revenues were up almost 50% year on year. PAT has also seen a sharp increase of around 129% year on year. And in other updates, the company's annual capacity has increased. It's repaid a lot of debt using IPO proceeds. So all in all, a very positive news across the board for the company. And last but not the least, the Suraj Estate Developers, with the company recording a 200 crore gross bookings from its flagship commercial project within 45 days of its launch. So these are some of the stocks which we're expecting to see some movement in.
All right, thank you so much, Meryl, for getting us all those details. But with this, let's also tell you some of the other counters that you should be watching out for on the back of the updates, as well as Q3 updates specifically coming in on a whole host of companies. First up is Brainbees Solutions, wherein we have seen SBI Mutual Fund actually going ahead and buying over 21 lakh shares at a price of 299.2 rupees per a piece. So that's why this stock will be in focus. Just yesterday, we have already seen a surge of over 3%. A lot of these banking updates have also come in. First up is IndusInd Bank, where this time around we have seen the deposits declining almost 4%, but it's the advances that have seen a surge of almost 13%. All right, I beg your pardon, advances are also down 13% on a YY basis, so not a great update coming in from IndusInd Bank. The deposits are down in single digit, but a double-digit decline in advances is what we have seen. But Axis Bank is seen to be following the suit that we have seen from other large-cap banks with respect to a double-digit growth number that the company has posted yet again with respect to its peers as well. Axis Bank advances have seen a surge of 14%, while the deposits have seen a growth of 15%. Utkarsh Small Finance Bank will be in focus as well on the back of their updates, where the total deposits have seen a rise of 5%, but the gross loan portfolio is down 4% on a YY basis, so not a great update coming in over here. AWL Agri-Business Limited, that will be in focus, as in Q3 FY26, the company saw low single-digit volume growth led by edible oils and food and FMCG, where standalone value growth was seen at 5% in Q3 of FY26. Other than that, MOIL Limited will be in focus, as the company did say that they have achieved best ever production in FY27% on a YY basis with respect to their Q3 output, and the company says that the growth is aided by improving mine planning and as well as operational efficiencies. So a good update coming in from MOIL Limited. NBCC will be in focus on the back of a new order win worth 134 odd crores. And lastly, lock-in period ends for WeWork India. So let's watch out for this counter as well.
All right, so lots of stocks to track today, but which are the cues that we must watch out for in today's trading session? Snehi is here with that list.
Well, yes, a bunch of cues to watch out for. Tuesday means it's the weekly Nifty expiry, so watch out for how the market reacts to that. And along with that, in the macros, we're going to be seeing the HSBC Services PMI numbers also come out, so keep a close eye on that as well. Globally, from Eurozone, also HCO COB Services PMI numbers are going to be on our radar, so keep a close eye there. Shifting focus back home, the Q3 earnings season will be kick-started by a non-Nifty company, that's GM Breweries. Of course, you have TCS on the 12th that will be kicking start the earnings season from the Nifty group of stocks, but the smaller names like GM Breweries will be reporting their numbers. Lock-in period will be ending for WeWork India, recently listed co-sharing, co-working space IPO, wherein 8% equity is going to be coming out of lock-in, so watch out for volatility on that stock. And in terms of other events, Richmond Fed President Thomas Barkin, formerly as we know him, is going to be speaking at an event, so watch out for any cues about the economic growth, everything that's been happening in the US, any geopolitical cues in his speech also will be important to watch out for, so keep a close eye on all of these cues.